In the journey of completing Salesforce Developer Challenge, we have completed 3 tasks under Quick Start Apex. Now we will be completing the final task, which is verify the updated accounts. Just click on it. After clicking, we will be landing here and just scroll down and launch. Click on launch. After clicking launch, we will be landing in another page. In the top left corner there are dots. Just click on it and select sales. Under sales, go to the accounts section and just click recently viewed and change to all accounts. After changing that, we can see in the top in the right corner there is a gear icon. Just click on it and select fields to display, and here just scroll down in available fields and select last modified dates and click on this arrow to move selection to visible field. Just click on it and save it. After saving, just click on any one account which is recently modified or recently created. Just click on any of the account and go to details section, and here in the details section we can see in the description heritage account has been written. So now go to the page from where we have launched it and verify the steps to earn points. We have successfully completed all the tasks under Quick Start Apex. From the next session we will complete the task under Apex Trigger. Thank you for watching.